Oh my god. Is that? Okay. What the? Come on, come on. Don't let him know. Where'd he go? He fell. Maybe I can run if he at least looks away or just gets distracted. My chance. What happened to my life? Okay. Success, I got away from him. Wait a minute. I'm alone. Oh no, he saw me. Come on. Top of the biggest tree. I can't let him get here in time. I need to do this. I need to make an epic scene. Come on. Come on, get up to the tree. I can't let him get me now. I need to go epic way. Where is he? No. I've never done this before. But it's gonna depend on my life. Or whatever is happening. My arms. I can't do this. Where is he? Where is he? Oh god, he's going to the top of the tree. Oh, my arm. My arm. Elevator climb. I gotta use my skills my friend taught me to do this. Gotta juke him epically. Come on. Come on. This is a one-time thing. Either it's life or death. Wait, I know a good solution, but I gotta slow him down. Gotta slow him down. I know. Gotta pick up that stick and then throw it at him. He should be slowed for a minute or two. I need to get somewhere. Oh, need to get another stick. Got a stick. Come on, another stick. Banana shotgun. Banana gum. Okay. Come on. How did I even get here? Wait, but I was one of the last people. Then, if not, who is he? I can't think of this now. Slide time. I gotta go somewhere he wouldn't expect. Come on. Up! Okay. He shouldn't be going up. And if he is, I might not see anything again. I can't tell if he's following me or not. No. I'm gonna punch him. Punched. Okay. No. Gotta juke him. Gotta get fast. Oh god, he knows how to do everything that I don't. Okay, this might depend on my life. He's not gonna know what I'm doing. He's probably following me right now. Where is he? Oh god, right, he's there. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Take me to the moon. That didn't take me anywhere. Where is he? Where'd he go? Where is he? Oh God, he's right there. Okay. This last thing is gonna risk my entire life. I can't let him know what I'm about to do. I'm risking everything right now. Oh God, he's following me. You'll never take me alive! This is gonna kill me! This is gonna kill me! My arm. I've been trading for this ever since I was an itty bitty boy. My arm. You can't punch me. I deserve a better life. Where is he? Get back here. Get back here. He has. If I can slow him down with this banana gun, then I can finish this. Banana gun to the rescue. God dang it. Wait, my banana gun. Uh-oh, he has my banana gun. Okay. Life or death. Life or death. Oh God, he could have shot me there. I gotta be careful. Very careful. He has the entire right to shoot me. Let's do this the old-fashioned. Oh God, I don't have anything. Not today. Come on, Dad. Wrong way. Wait. What's that I see? Absolutely nothing. Because that will help me. Here, I can juke him. Hey, Green Monkey. Let me tell you one last thing. One last punch and he'll be gone. Die, you monster. One last punch. Oh yeah. Look, Green Monkey. We can settle this. I don't know why you're here. I don't know why I'm here. But we're here for a reason. Green Monkey, come on, we can settle this. No, it's easy. See, I threw my gun. Oh. See, I threw my gun. One last punch. That deserves him right. One last punch. You can't explain anything to me. Wait a minute. I've become the monster. Try me. I'm done with this. Looks like one bullet left. Let's make this one count. Ha! Hit him directly in the head. Now, I'll go make sure he's dead. What the? How is he alive? What the? How's he alive? But, wait, how's he alive? Wait, this can't make sense. How is he alive? This doesn't make sense. Wait, when was the last time I was with other people? When was the last time I was with other people? Wait. I don't remember. I don't remember this. It doesn't even feel like I'm awake. Wait, I can't feel pain. Wait. But I thought I just had a dream. Unless this is a dream. You can't punch me. That doesn't hurt. I just need to get back to my house. I can end this. Huh? Wait. Punching enabled? So he can punch me? Oh, then I'd like to see him try. Come here. Hey, no guns are enabled. Guns enabled. Okay, maybe that just makes it a little unfair. Oh, my back. Oh, my back. Come on. Back to my house. No. You can't hook me back anymore. I'm gonna get back to my body once and for all.